Thanks to Jackery for sponsoring this video.
In the always-on world we live in today, all of us, including you watching this video on a TV, laptop, monitor, tablet, or smartphone, rely on power, not just for the devices I just mentioned, but throughout the course of the day to maintain our routines. So, as annoying as a power outage is, it can quickly go from a temporary... Alright, hang on one second. Let's see... So, where was I? Okay, so it can quickly go from a temporary setback to a real problem if it lasts for an extended amount of time. That's where having a generator like Jackery's HomePower 3000 plays a crucial role. Its essential function is in the name, home power. And indeed, with 3,600 watts of output, it is powerful enough to keep home appliances running for hours and even days if the situation calls for it. More on some of those specifics in just a minute. The convenience of the HomePower 3000 starts with its design. It's one of the lightest and smallest generators in its class and easily transportable with the handles on each side. To charge it up before use, you don't need anything special. A standard outlet with AC power will have this thing ready to go in just a matter of hours. And once charged, rest assured it will be ready when the time comes. Jackery's ZeroDrain technology allows the HomePower 3000 to sit idle for a full year and still retain 95% of its power. As for what it's capable of, let's take a look at the numbers on a few common appliances, especially the ones that most of us consider daily necessities. We begin with the all-important refrigerator, where our most precious valuables are stored. The HomePower 3000 will keep it running for 1 to 2 days, ideally covering most outages with some power to spare, especially because you may want to power other things at the same time. In this house, if we suffered an outage to start the day, I know we'd still want our coffee. And you guessed it, I'd be using this generator to run our espresso machine. Our daughter, at just 1 year old, has already made toast, one of her favorite foods. Again, cooking that up is no problem. Depending on where you live and what time of year it is, temperature could be a factor as well, and all of a sudden, a portable fan becomes your best friend. The HomePower 3000 can keep that going for 60 hours or like 2.5 days. Ideally, plenty of time for power to be restored. Even some of the most taxing appliances to run, like washers and dryers, aren't off limits. And if you're in a pinch and need to keep laundry going, you can power both appliances through 4 cycles. But let's throw another curveball in. Especially if it's a local outage and you work from home, that doesn't mean those deadlines are going anywhere. Obviously, with its 2 USB-C ports and 2 USB-A ports located on the front of the generator, you can keep things like smartphones and tablets charged. To be more specific, you can charge a laptop 80 times and a phone 300 times. That is plenty. But there are other things to consider as well. A standard router setup for Wi-Fi, for example, can run for 12 days with this generator's power. And should you or your little ones need some TV time, you're looking at about 30 hours of runtime. I know these may be a lesser priority when the power goes out, but take a second to think of the possibilities or potential situations a generator like this can help with. These are just some of the examples of what this thing can do and how simple the process is because it's not overly complicated. You turn it on, you plug in your devices, you move on with life, essentially uninterrupted, even if the power to your home is. And should you choose to, you can increase efficiency when paired with Jackery's 200 watt or 500 watt SolarSaga panels, allowing you to convert energy from the sun into energy to recharge your generator. We've got links in the description if you want to learn more, and I definitely do recommend checking out Jackery's website where they list even more appliances and estimated runtimes. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.